Welcome back. We really need your support and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's begin. Question number 42. An administrator at Universal Containers has been asked to prevent users from accessing Salesforce from outside of their network. What are the two considerations for this configuration? Choose two answers. Option A. IP addresses restrictions are set on the profile or globally for the org. Option B. Users can change their password to avoid login IP restrictions. Option C. Enforce login IP ranges on every request must be selected to enforce IP restrictions. Option D. Single sign-on will allow users to log in from anywhere. Correct answer is option A and C. IP address restrictions are set on the profile or globally for the org, and enforce login IP ranges on every request must be selected to enforce IP restrictions. Question number 43. The administrator at ClockKicks had created the approval process for the time of requests. Which two automated actions are available to be added as a part of the approval process? Choose two answers. Option A. Field update. Option B. Chatter post. Option C. Auto launched flow. Option D. Email alert. Correct answer is option A and D. Field update and email alert. Question number 44. Which two capabilities are considerations when marking a field as required in Object Manager? Choose two answers. Option A. The field is not required to save records via the API on the object. Option B. The field is universally required to save a record on that object. Option C. The field is added to every page layout on the object. Option D. The field is optional when saving records via wave to lead and wave to case. Correct answer is option B and option C. The field is universally required to save a record on the object, and the field is added to every page layout on that object. Question number 45. Universal Containers requires that when an opportunity is closed won, all other open opportunities on the same account must be marked as closed lost. Which automation solution should an administrator use to implement this request? Option A. Quick action. Option B. Workflow rule. Option C. Flow builder. Option D. Outbound message. Correct answer is option C. Flow builder. Question number 46. CloudKicks wants a report to categorize accounts into small, medium, and large based on the dollar value found in the contract value field. What features should an administrator use to meet this request? Option A. Detail column. Option B. Bucket column. Option C. Group rows. Option D. Filter logic. Correct answer is option B. Bucket column. Question number 47. CloudKicks CK is partnering with a used shoe store and second-hand bicycle emporium. CK has an automated business process it wants to run once a week to count the number of open cases related to an account. How should the administrator recommend automating this business processing? Option A. Create a workflow rule with an outbound message. Option B. Set up a scheduled process in Process Builder. Option C. Configure a scheduled flow in Flow Builder. Option D. Use a process to update the account when it is edited. Correct answer is option A. Create a workflow rule with an outbound message. Question number 48. An administrator has assigned a permission set group with the two-factor authentication for user interface, logins permissions, and the two-factor authentication for API logins permission to a group of users. Which two prompts will happen when one of the users attempts to log in to data loader? Choose two answers. Option A. Users needs to connect an authenticator app to the Salesforce account. Option B. Users need to get a security token from a trusted network using Reset My Security token. Option C. Users need to download and install an authenticator app on their mobile device. Option D. User need to enter a verification code from email or SMS, whichever has higher priority. Correct answer is option A and option C. Users needs to connect an authenticator app to their Salesforce account and users need to download and install an authenticator app on their mobile device. Question number 49. CloudKicks needs to be able to show different pick list values for sales and marketing users. Which two options will meet this requirement? Choose two answers. Option A, one page layout, two record types, one pick list. Option B, two page layouts, one record type, two pick lists. Option C, two permission sets, one record type, one pick list. Option D, one record type, two profiles, one pick list. Correct answer is option A and B. One page layout, two record types and one pick list. And two page layouts, one record type, two pick lists. Question number 50. At Universal Containers, user would like to be able to share Salesforce records with other members of their team while collaborating around general topics as well. Which are two considerations for enabling this functionality? Choose two answers. Option A. Collaboration groups are created automatically for every department. Option B. Object layouts should be configured to include the group-related list. Option C. The add record action must be configured in the group publisher. Option D. An administrator needs to create a group to enable record sharing. Correct answer is option C and option D. The add record action must be configured in the group publisher. And an administrator needs to create a group to enable record sharing.